Hello and welcome to my home. My name is Thomas H. Smith Sr. and I'm here today to demonstrate to you an invention I have made. It is called an electrical wire fire detector system, and I believe that it would save lives and insurance companies millions of dollars each year. It would also save structures and possibly who knows what all it could save, pets, whatever you got living in your home anyway. However, this is to demonstrate to you the electrical wire fire detector system that I have built. What I made here is a virtual little wall, and inside of it is your electrical outlet, and this is my system connected down here. Okay, and in order to make this work and to show you that it does work, I'm going to have to sit it down here for a minute and plug it into an outlet, which I am doing right now here. Now I have plugged it in, and now as you can see in my system I have a green light right here. This green light just is an indicator that you are getting electricity to your outlet and that it is a live current. And what usually takes place in an electrical wire fire is that you got to understand what takes place. First of all, when the wires overheat and get hot, your positive wire will melt the outside coating of your positive wiring. If left undetected for a little short time, it can become very hot and overheated, thus therefore melting your outlet and causing all your damage. And if people had just a little bit of a warning time and a warning signal, they could get out of this. They could get out of this and still be alive today had I invented this years ago. This idea did come to me in 1991, and I eventually figured out how to make it work myself. So I'm going to demonstrate to you today by lighting this lighter and catching it on fire inside the outlet box. Whenever the fire begins to get hot in here, you'll see what my system will do. There you have it. I finally got it lit. And now, as you can see, you have a red light here and you have an alarm going off. I did install a switch for in case if this ever does happen that you can turn it off, which right now I'm going to unplug. Now I do now have it unplugged, but what I was going to also show you is inside of here I put in a switch for in case if it did go off, a firefighter or certified electrician, somebody that knows what they're doing, can come in, take a look at what happened inside of your wall and the cause for this, and you could be able to fix it and have a good life. And you know, you could even get out of your home. That's what I'm basically trying to stipulate. It would give somebody time and warning to get out of their home whenever a fire does happen like this, in this kind of nature. I also designed my system with these two wires here also, 1 and 2. Okay, with them two wires I've also made it possible that whenever this alarm and the light does go off, these two wires could have attached to it an electrical motor that can turn on and dispense electrical wire fire fluid onto your wiring into your home, and it could, you know, extinguish the fire before it even starts, basically. So I see a real need for this, but I've been told this doesn't work. But yet, you've seen it today, it does work. And I'm looking for someone to help me to manufacture this. I'm not a very rich man. I don't claim to be. I'm not a very smart man, don't claim to be, but I believe this is something that definitely needs to take a look at. And I really appreciate you taking your time to view this video, and I'd like to say thank you again, and I hope to hear from you all. You can email me at my address at ths90125542@sbcglobal.net, or you can contact me on the telephone. It's area code 765-640-0540. Thank you.